making your English stand out, mastering comparative and superlative adverbs of manner. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: comparative and superlative forms of adverbs of manner. We'll focus on using these adverbs in context to enrich your English conversations and writings. Ready to level up your English? Let's jump right in. Before we get into the comparative and superlative forms, let's have a quick refresher on adverbs of manner. These adverbs describe how something is done, like running quickly, speaking softly, or working diligently. They usually come after the main verb or the object. Now, on to the good stuff. Comparative adverbs help us compare the actions of two or more entities. If Tom runs quickly but Jerry runs even faster, we could say, Jerry runs more quickly than Tom. On the other hand, superlative adverbs are used when an action outdoes all others in a group. If Tom, Jerry, and Spike are running, and Spike is the fastest, we'd say, Spike runs the most quickly. How do we form these comparative and superlative adverbs? For most adverbs that end in -ly, use more for the comparative and most for the superlative. Example: carefully to more carefully to most carefully. For adverbs that do not end in -ly, usually add -er for the comparative and -est for the superlative. Example: fast to faster to fastest. Keep in mind, there are some irregular adverbs too, like well, becoming, better, and best. Now, let's see some examples in sentences. Comparative: she sings more beautifully than I do. Superlative: he worked the hardest of all the students. As you can see, using these forms can make your English much more dynamic and descriptive. And that wraps up our lesson on comparative and superlative adverbs of manner. I hope this video helps you to express comparisons more effectively in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to use these new skills in your daily conversations and writings. Thanks for joining us today, and until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.